Hello and welcome to owmyback-packing. I'm Heather, an over 50s traveller exploring the world one road trip at a time. Backpacking? Well, kind of. I'm putting this heavy backpack in the back of this car and I'm off for some wild adventures. I'm here to show you that adventure doesn't have an age limit. Adventure is calling and I am answering. So join me for epic road trips, hidden gems and a few Ow My Back moments on the way. So hit subscribe and like and let's hit the road together. Adventure after 50? Oh, it's just getting started. Today I'm travelling to the Trang province where I hope to spend a couple of days exploring the local area. Come along and join me.
Just taken a quick turn off of the road on our way to Trang because we've just come across the Trang Botanical Gardens and apparently there's also a waterfall here which I'm going to go and explore. Wow, this is a nice surprise. Well, I think I'm already going to enjoy Trang. And we haven't even got started yet. There's a lovely little Buddha guarding over the waterfall. We've arrived in Trang province and we are right on the beach, and this is our accommodation for the next 4 nights, and it's a lovely fisherman's hut. Let's go and take a look.
This hut's called Fiddler Crab.
Oh, it's a hammock and a nice comfy chair. More importantly, a fan on the outside. It's gorgeous. Let's take a quick look inside. Aircon, beautiful. Fridge. TV, the pretty lights. That's so cute. Lovely bed. Let's give it the quick bed test. Oh, lovely and soft actually, thank God for that. And let's have a look over here. So I booked this for 4 nights to give us plenty of time to explore the region. Cute little bathroom with an open roof, and then over here we have another little outside area which is the sink, and again another open roof. Well, I'm very happy with this, and the fact it's got a bouncy squishy bed makes all the difference in Thailand.
This is Sikau Beach and this is where we'll be staying for the next few days. And it's really lovely, beautiful soft sands, but nobody here. Just some lovely islands across the water. This is Pak Men Pier, and from here you can get a tour to many of the local islands. But right now at the pier the tide's out, and look at all these crabs.
The entire beach is alive.
So we just stopped at one of the restaurants along the beach and having a little bit of dinner before I'm off to bed.
Should I be scared? Nah. Life's too short to be scared. I am off to Hat Yao Pier, where I'll hopefully catch a longtail to Koh Libong to try and find some dugongs. So wish me luck.
Just want to give a quick heads up here. Absolutely zero dugongs were seen whilst visiting. I travelled on the local taxi boat at 100 Thai baht per person each way to Koh Libong. Just arrived here at Koh Libong Pier. I'm now going to make my way to the Dugon viewpoint. I think I'm going to have to hire a scooter to do that though.
I'm only up about 10 of the stairs and I'm sweating. It's so hot today. It's about 34. Still on a dugong hunt. It's a bit like when Winnie the Pooh goes on a heffalump hunt. Ooh, first we go into a cave. Maybe they're in there having a little nap. There's ropes and strings.
Entry is also expensive at 400 baht per person.
I think I'm going to do this.
Well, that was an epic fail, and it's such a shame. But just as a warning to anybody else coming visiting, you really do need to have sensible shoes on, and also you need to be quite fit and be able to pull yourself up using ropes, because some of the steps were like 3-4 foot high, and I'm only 5'2", so it was nigh on impossible. Nowhere did it say you needed to have 10 years experience in rock climbing to see a dugong. Even so, Koh Libong is still really pretty, has a lovely little village and a pier, but you will need some form of transport, either a scooter or a taxi.
But you were on your way to remember, like a flash in the sky. It was a day in December. Oh yeah. And we're moving on to the void is gone. You don't know until you lost somebody, truly lost someone. Oh yeah. You don't know until you...
Good morning. Today I'm in Hat Chow Mai National Park and I'm hoping to find a dugong. They seem very elusive. Not sure how long I'm going to have to spend in this province just to find one. I don't think they're really here. I think it's all a ploy for tourism.
Entry was 200 baht per person.
So the island is split and I've got to go across this little causeway bit here in a minute. Quite glad the tide's out, to be fair. So I'm off to this island. Apparently there's a prehistoric painting, but no doubt it's up 4,000 stairs or a mountain or some kind of cliff you've got to climb. And I just want to see a dugong. I don't care about anything else. Now I'm following the signs to the dugong viewing point. I'm just wondering if they expect me to somehow get up that. This cliff is pretty fierce. And I'm not sure if that's supposed to be holding it up, because I don't think it's going to do a lot. But we've got a tunnel to go through now. So let's go and have a look. Yep, you guessed it. More stairs. Look. Dugongs are sea animals, so what is it with having to climb up thousands of stairs to go and bloody see one? Why can't I just get in a boat with a glass bottom or something? These stairs just go on and on and on.
Dugon, if you're here, please just come out and say hello. I've just been up 5,000 steps to come and see you. Please.
Look at the colours in the rocks. That must have been some tectonic plate movement because they're on their side.
This is the opposite side to the Dugon viewpoint, and there's a pontoon and walkway all the way round the side of the island. This walkway is much nicer than the other side. It's really easy and beautiful, and the ocean or sea looks really blue and super clear. Really lovely. Okay, so I'm back in the car and I'm heading back towards the hotel, but I've just noticed on Google that along here is a beach called University Beach, so I'm going to go and check it out.
This is a really amazing area of Thailand. I mean, let's be honest, most of Thailand's pretty amazing. Look at the rocks everywhere. Crazy. And more importantly, there's wild dogs on the beach. So I've just left them some dog kibble because they look a little bit skinny, these ones, and they don't normally. They're normally really well fed. Now, apparently over there in the distance, behind the little islands, that's Koh Lanta, where millions of tourists go. And right opposite here, there are 0 tourists. In fact, there's 0 people, full stop. There's nobody here. It's just me and some dogs. Absolutely glorious. Let's go and see if there's caves here. Let's go and see what's in here. Could definitely get cut off in here, couldn't you? Yeah, can escape through there. Beautiful beach. This area of Sikau, which we're staying in at the moment, is just opposite Koh Lanta, and like I said, there is nobody here. And yet if you go to Koh Lanta, it's absolutely packed. Today I am taking a look at Hat Yai Beach. There's also supposed to be a cave here, but the tide's in at the moment, so we'll have to wait for that. But I do think there might be a storm brewing.
Hat Yai Beach is part of the national park, so that means you have to pay 200 baht per person plus an extra 30 baht to park the car. beach is full of these lovely big shells, but obviously I can't take them home with me, so I'm going to pop them right back. Now the tide's going out, let's go to the other side of the rock and check out the cave. I was sitting in my hammock on the porch, and this is my last evening here on Portugal, and I could hear some really loud music, so I thought I'd go and have a look. And there's about 100 pickups having a meeting outside on the beach, and these lovely guys here were really great fun. They would like us for beer. Unfortunately, I cannot play any of the music as everything is copyrighted, and look at those speakers. These guys are literally living their best life. Good luck to them. Well, I guess I kind of saw a dugong. Not quite what I wanted.
So I have to say a really sad goodbye to the Trang province today as I start to head up north, making my way slowly to Bangkok for a flight on the 27th to Vietnam. So follow along with my adventures and like and subscribe. See you soon. Take care.